How to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Now let's get started. If you open up Instagram application in your mobile device and you're logged in with your account, now if you try to view your password while logged into Instagram account, you won't be able to view your password. As you can see, when you go to your profile page by tapping your profile icon, and from here if you head over to the three line icon from the top left corner, and under this page if you tap on account center and then go to password and security, as you can see here, there is no any option to view the password. Instead, you will be able to change your password. So simply tap on change password, and from there you can simply change your password and log back with your password. But if you don't want to change your password and you only want to view your password, here is how you can do it. Head over to the settings in your mobile device, and from here tap on Google. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Google. That will take you to your Google account page. Now from here tap on this button that says manage your Google account. Now under your profile name there is a menu bar such as home, personal info, data privacy. Swipe to your left and then tap on security. Here scroll all the way down, and at the very end there you will find an option as password manager. Tap on that. Now from this interface you will be able to see your Instagram password. So simply tap on Instagram. Now you have to provide your device screen lock. And after that, from this page, you can view your Instagram password. So simply tap on this eye icon and your password will pop up. So that is the way to see Instagram password if forgotten. Or if you are not able to find your password here, you have to simply recover or reset your password from the Instagram application and then log back with your new password. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.